UMdunhlebele oneminyaka engama-37 obudala wanqanyulwa umlenze wakhe wesokunxele eminyakeni eyisithupha edlulile. Lo mthwebula izithombo ozibambela amatoho usebenzise ezokuthutha zomphakathi ukufinyelela lapho esuke yakhona. Kodwa isikhathi esiningi uthwala kanzima.
If I get in places where I don't have accessibility into the building, normally if it's important for me to be there, normally I will get people to help me up. Try to avoid that situation. If I can't access the building, I normally don't go there.
UNhlebele uthi useke wakhishwa inyumbazana ngenxa yokukhubazeka kwakhe nokwagcina kumlahlekisele ngomsebenzi wakhe.
My sitting was affecting my sores. You get pressure sores. So my employer, I've exhausted leave days, sick leave days, and my employer couldn't accommodate that.
Kule nyanga kuqala imigubho yenyanga ehambisana nokuqwashisa ngamalungelo abakhubazekile, i-National Disability Rights. Kanti uhulumeni ufuna ukubhekana ngqo nezinkampani ezingahambisani nemithetho.
Disability employment calls for a radical change. They don't want to either build the ramps, purchase the accessible computers, employ the sign language interpreter in the company.
Kodwa ke enye izinhlangano zamalungelo abakhubazekile ikholwa ukuthi kusezinkampanini ezizimele nalapho kwenziwa izinto ke ngokungemthetho.
Companies, especially in your soft, kind of business, marketing and all these other areas, is doing fairly well. The biggest problem is still within the manufacturing and engineering spaces. But we also do not know how government could still procure buildings that are not totally accessible. I mean, surely they should set the example.
Uhulumeni usukwazi ukufinyelela ku-1.6 kulo 4% abakhubazekile emsebenzini. Kanti imboni ezimele yona iphezulu ngamaphesenti angaphezulu kwamabili abantu abakhubazekile ebaqashile.